Welcome back, friends. We have seen last time the fundamental operations, relational algebra operations, unary operations, and binary operations. Select, project, rename are unary relational algebra operations. Union, set difference, and Cartesian product are relational algebra binary operations. We have seen row symbol. Row symbol as a selection operation symbol for relational algebra. So the query will be formed like, suppose I want all those records of particular relation who satisfy the condition, that is query. And query in relational algebra format will be row salary at the base, salary greater than equal to 85,000 in bracket instructor. This will return all those rows of input relation instructor which satisfy that whose salary is greater than or equal to 85,000. Second operation is projection and the symbol is pi. So you can see the query pi id comma salary instructor, which specifies attributes from all rows of the input relation and remove duplicate tuples from the output. Next is natural join, which is specified by the symbol, join symbol, and which is used to specify the query like instructor natural join department, which output pairs of rows from the two input relation department and instructor, which have the same value on all attributes that have the same name. Next one is Cartesian product, and cross is a sign. The query specified as instructor Cartesian product department, which outputs all pairs of rows from two input relations, regardless of whether or not they have the same values on common attribute. In natural join, we see that instructor and department, there will be one common attribute present between them, and to that all the input relation pairs of rows which are matching to the common attribute of instructor and department will be given as an output. This is regarding natural join. In Cartesian product, apart from whether they have the same values on common attributes or not, all pairs of rows from the two input relations are given as an output in Cartesian product. Next is union, and union symbol is represented as relational algebra operation union. The query is in form of project name. Project is pi name in bracket instructor relation, union symbol pi name student relation. This query outputs the union of tuples from two input relations. So you can see the operations, relational algebra operations, unary operations are selection, projection, row, pi, and natural join is a binary operation. Cartesian product is a binary operation. Union, natural join, Cartesian product are binary operations, whereas select, projection, and rename are unary operations. select that is a row. Example, we are writing a query now. Select those tuples of the loan relation where the branch is peri rich. So condition is that we want all those tuples of loan relation whose branch is peri rich. All the tuples of loan relation whose branch is peri rich. So we'll write as a selection process, select operation, row branch name equal to in double quotes peri rich from input relation loan. So this will find all those tuples which are having branch as peri rich. Similarly, one more example, find those tuples pertaining to loans of more than $1,200 made by the peri rich branch. So we want all those tuples which have loan more than $1,200 and branches specific, that is peri rich. So we'll write the query in form of relational algebra format, row branch name equal to peri rich and branch name equal to peri rich, and here amount is greater than 1200 of loan input relation. So this is the condition and we want all those rows which will satisfy this condition from a loan relation.